Good morning. Perfectos, perfectos, perfectos. Good morning. So far I am in Hanjiang and now I'm going up to the loop. But I just have little bit this issue with the weather. The weather is not very good. But so far I am here. So after I travel all the Vietnam from south, now I arrive in this place and I can tell you it's very beautiful and I am very happy to be here. Also, the road condition is not very perfect, the weather is not perfect, but I'm going forward because I was waiting for today. I was thinking if I'm staying more, maybe the weather is changed, but what I say, the weather is not changing, too much. So in this situation, I need to go like that. Right, let's go. This is kilometer 0, yeah? A little bit coldy, foggy and dusty, so it's not the perfect, it's not perfect weather, yeah? But there's not much I can do right now. I need to focus on my trip and going forward like that. Because if I'm waiting more, this will don't help me. Will don't change the weather for me. Yeah. Always the cars waiting a little bit for the bikes to go. Because some bikes sometimes going very slowly for the light. Yeah. What can I tell you? In this town here, I have my first incident. Yes. So one night, me driving, yes, driving and